Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to Maths class. Before all, we will discuss about arithmetic progression. Today, start with the new topic is geometric progression. Geometric progression short form is G dot P. G dot P means geometric progression. So, what is the definition of the geometric progression? Means a geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio of any term and its preceding term is a constant. This constant known as common ratio as well as geometric progression. Common ratio is denoted by smaller. Listen carefully. What is the definition of the geometric progression? Means a geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio of any term and preceding term nothing but previous term is a constant. This constant known as common ratio as well as geometric progression. Common ratio it is denoted by smaller. Listen careful. Example, we are taking one sequence in a geometric progression. So we are taking what is the ratio? The ratio of any term, and preceding term is, I am taking any one term, 4 you are taking, any term divided by previous term is 2. So now what is the ratio? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 4 I am taking 8. 8 divided by before term is 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2. This one ratio also 2. Next one 16. 16 by previous term is 8. 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja. So now the ratio of any two terms is same. The ratio of any two terms same. It is called geometric progression. Arithmetic progression is the difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression. Geometric progression means the ratio of any two terms is same. It is called geometric progression. According to definition, a geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio of any term divided by previous term it is a constant. 2 is a constant. This constant known as common ratio. Common ratio divided by smaller. Everyone understood what is the difference between arithmetic progression? Geometric progression is arithmetic progression nothing but the difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression. Geometric progression means the ratio of any two terms is same. It is called geometric progression. This is not arithmetic progression because of this one difference is 2, this difference is 4, this difference is 8. That's why this is not a sequence in arithmetic progression. This sequence is a geometric progression because of the ratio of any two terms is same. That's why it is called a geometric progression sequence. Now, nth term of the next heading, nth term of the geometric progression. Nth term of geometric progression is what is the formula for the nth term of the geometric progression is let first term is denoted by T1 is equal to A. Same like arithmetic progression also same thing only. Where first term is denoted by small a. Small a can be written as A into R to the power of 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything power of 0 value is 1. So A into 1 is A only. It is possible. Next, second term is denoted by AR. AR can be written as second term minus 1. It is possible or not? 2 minus 1 value is 1. R power of 1 value is only R. It is possible. Next, third term. T3 is equal to A R square. A square can be written as third term minus 1. Listen carefully. First term is denoted by A. A is written as A into what to the power of 1 minus 1 means first term minus 1. Second term we are taking AR. AR can be written as A into R to the power of second term minus 1. Like third term can be written as AR square is equal to A into R square can be written as R to the power of 3 minus 6 here. Third term taking 3 minus 1. Second term taking second minus 1. First one taking 1 minus 1 like so on. So on. Last term or nth term. Last term or nth term. Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. It is possible or not? Because of first one we are taking R power of 1 minus 1. Second term taking R power of 2 minus 1. Third term taking 3 minus 1. N taking n power of minus 1. This is the nth term of the geometric progression. Very important formula is nth term of geometric progression formula is n is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. So nth term of geometric progression is nth term is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Arithmetic progression formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is arithmetic progression nth term of the formula. This is nth term of the geometric progression formula. Arithmetic progression is difference between any two terms is same. That is called arithmetic progression. Geometric progression means the ratio of any two terms is same. It is called geometric progression. Nth term of the geometric progression formula is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Here A is called first term. A is called first term. R is called ratio of any two terms or any term divided by previous term. Next, n is called number of terms or number of elements. Number of terms or number of elements. Tn is called last term or nth term. Last term or nth term. Very important formula is nth term of the geometric progression is nth term of the geometric progression is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. A is called first term. R is called R is called common ratio. R is called ratio of any two term or else any term divided by previous term or else common ratio. R is called common ratio. N is called number of terms or number of elements. Tn is called last term or nth term. So it is clear. Next, general form of geometric progression is general form of geometric progression is given by what is the first term? First term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cubed, so on. The last term is A into R to the power of n minus 1. That's why first term is denoted by T1, second term is denoted by T2, third term denoted by T3, fourth term divided by T4 is equal to nth term divided by last term divided by Tn. Now the general form of geometric progression is given by A comma AR comma AR square comma AR cubed, so on. A into R to the power of n minus 1. It is clear. So once again, guys, geometric progression is definition is a geometric progression is a sequence in which the ratio of any term on its preceding term is a constant. This constant known as a common ratio as well as geometric progression. Common ratio is denoted by small r. So one more definition is the ratio between any two terms is same. It is called geometric progression. Nth term of the geometric progression is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. A is called first term. R is called common ratio. N is called number of elements or number of terms. Tn is called last term or nth term. general form of geometric progression is given by a comma ar comma ar square or a cube, so on a into all to the power of n minus 1. First term is divided by a, second term is divided by ar, so on nth term is divided by a into all to the power of n minus 1. Next, all the question depending upon the nth term of the geometric progression. Now we are going to problem. So now you can use the geometric progression formula how to solve the nth term of the geometric progression. Very easy. Don't confusion. Arithmetic progression is different, geometric progression is different. So how to consider this is sequence is geometric progression or else arithmetic progression is? First of all, what is arithmetic progression definition? The difference between any two terms is same, it is called arithmetic progression. Suppose we are take difference, all the differences same, that is called arithmetic progression. Suppose the difference are be not same, that's why it is not a arithmetic progression. Next, geometric progression is the ratio of any two terms is same, it is called geometric progression. Suppose the ratio will be not same, so it is not a geometric progression. Now we are going to problems. Very easy, important problems also. Problems. First question. Find the sixth element or sixth term. Find the sixth element of the geometric progression 5, 15, 45, so on. What they are asking? Find the sixth element of the geometric progression. It is clearly they calculate the sixth term. So now, what is the given sequence? Given sequence is solution. Given sequence is 5, 15, 45, so on in geometric progression. Here A is called the first term. What is the first term they gave in the sequence? So A is equal to 5. Now we are taking common ratio. Don't take difference because of this is a geometric progression. Thus we are taking ratio. Ratio means any term. Ratio means any term divided by previous term. So it is clearly common ratio. R is equal to any term divided by previous term is 5. So 5 1 the 5 3. So R is equal to 3. So n is equal to given 6. What they are asking? We required values. So required values to calculate required values or else calculate sixth term. You have to calculate. You can calculate sixth term. So which form applying here? Nth term of the. We are applying nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. They are asking to calculate sixth term or sixth element of the geometric progression is we are calculating sixth term. What is the A value? A is called first. A is called 5. What is R value? 3. What is N value? 6 minus 1. So 5 into 3 into 3 power of 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 5 into 3 power of 5. 3 can product with 5 times. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 3 is 81. 81 3 is 243. So 243. 3 to the power of 5 value is 243. 5 into 243. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2. So now sixth term is 1215. Finally, my conclusion sixth term or sixth element is 1215. Listen once again. What is asking? Find the sixth element to calculate the sixth element. In the given sequence, easily identify the first term. A is equal to first term is 5. Common ratio is any term divided by previous term. So any term is I am taking 15 divided by previous term is 5. 5 1 the 5 3. R equal to 3 to calculate sixth element means n is equal to 6. We required sixth element means to calculate sixth term. That's why we are applying nth term of this geometric progression is n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. We are applying all the values. Finally, we go to the sixth term value is 415. Same question. They are asking find the eighth term. Find the eighth term. Very important this question. Find the eighth term. Only what they are asking n value is equal to 8 to calculate eighth term. Everything is same. So only in place of n substitute only 8. So 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So T8 is equal to 5 into 3 power of 7. 3 power of 7 multiplied with 7 times. 3 power of 7 is 2187. So 5 into 2187 is equal to 10,935. What you are asking? Eighth term is 10,935. Same sequence only there, interchange in the nth element only. What you are asking? Find the eighth element means to calculate eighth element. In the given sequence, a is equal to first term is 5. Common ratio r is equal to any term divided by previous term is ratio is 3. Next n is equal to 8. To calculate eighth term, we are applying nth term of geometric progression is n is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A is called 5, r is called 3. 3 to the power of n value is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 power of 7 is 3 product with the 7 times. 3 power of 7 value is 2187. This total value product with the 5. That value is 10,935. Finally, we got the eighth term value is 10,935. It is clear? Next, this is second question. Next, third question. Third question. So very easy. All the values are given in the question. Only we are applying the formula. After finally we can calculate nth term value. Third question. Find the fifth element of the geometric progression 4, 12, 36, so on. What they are asking? Find fifth element. To calculate fifth element in the given sequence is 4, 12, 36, this sequence is defined in the geometric progression. Here, what is the first term in the given sequence? What is the first term? 4. First term is denoted by small a. Small a is equal to 4. R is equal to common ratio. Any term divided by previous term. I am taking 12 divided by previous term is 4. 4 1 is 4 3. Common ratio is 3. What is n is equal to? N is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 to required fifth term. We are applying nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So now to calculate fifth element or fifth term of the geometric progression is to calculate fifth term. What is the a value? A value is 4 into r value is 3 whole to the power of n value is 5 minus 1. 4 into 3 into 5 minus 1 is 4 is equal to 4 into 3 power of 4. 3 product is 4 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. 27 3 is 81. 4 into 81 is 2. 4 into 1 4. 4 is 32. 324. Finally, what the answer is? Fifth term is 324. Everyone understood? What they are asking? To calculate fifth element is to calculate fifth term in the given sequence is a geometric progression sequence. A is called 4, R is called common ratio is any term divided by previous term. So 12 by 4 value is 3. To calculate fifth term, that's why we are applying nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A value is 4, r value is 3, all to the power of n value is 5. 5 minus 1 value is 4. 3 power of 4 means 3 product with 4 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. 81 into 4 value is 325. Finally we got the answer. Fifth term value is 354. It is clear. Next, last question in this method. So very easy, only applying nth term of the geometric progression formula. Finally we are finding only nth term value. Next one is fourth question. Find the ninth element of the geometric progression. It is 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 so on. What they are asking? To calculate ninth element means to required value is ninth term value. What is the given sequence there? 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 so on. This is sequence defined in the geometric progression. Here what is the first one? A is common. 1 common ratio 1 by 2 by 1. 1 by 2 by 1 value is 1 by 2 or r. So we are taking 1 by 4. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. This one can be written as right interchanging. 1 by 2 right interchanging is 2 by 1. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So ratio is 1 by 2. Okay na? So don't confusion. Okay na? Now what is the ratio of any term divided by previous term? 1 by 2 by 1. 1 by 2 by 1 is 1 by 2 or r. I am taking 1 by 4. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. This one right reciprocal means interchange 2 by 1. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Product of the numerator value and 1 into 1 is 1. Denominator 2 into 1 is 2. So our ratio is 1 by 2. Next, what is n is equal to 9? To required value is 9th term value. Which formula apply here? nth term of geometric progression is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. Required value is 9th term of geometric progression is required value is 9th term. A is called 1, r is called 1 by 2, all to the power of n value is 9 minus 1. So now 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, all to the power of 9 minus 1 is 8 is equal to 1 power of 8, 2 power of 8. 1 power of anything there is 1 only. 2 power of 8, 2 product with 8 times. Okay na? So 2 power of 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 9, product with the 2 8 times, you get answer is 256. Then this is value is 9th term value is conclusion. 9th term value is 1 by 256. It is clear? I hope everyone understood this concept. Very easy. Give a sequence they are given. Only we can identify the a value, r value. So n value also they are given to calculate which and then they are given to calculate this one. Here applying nth term of the geometric progression form is Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. We are applying the all the values. A value is 1, r value is 1, but all to the power of n value is 9, 9 minus 1 value is 8. So now, 1 by 2 all to the power of 8 means 1 power of 8 divided by 2 power of 8. 1 power of anything value is 1 only. 2 power of 8 means 2 product with the 8 times. So 2 power of 8 value is 256. Finally, what answer is 9th power value is 1 by 256. It is clear? So everyone understand this concept? So any doubt is there, please ask him. Okay? Thank you all.